Are Filipinos judgmental against Filipina-Foreigner relationship? Why do you think many Filipino women stare up and down to Filipinas who are walking with their foreigner partner to make their life better? We read on social media many foreigners feel they received judgmental eye from Filipino men when they are with their Filipina partner. How do you feel about that? And is it true from your experience? Do you think many Filipino men dislike Filipinas with foreigners? I have questions, Be, and I want you to be very honest, like very honest. Okay, so the first question is: are Filipinos judgmental against Filipina-Foreigner relationship?
Yes, I think they are.
Why do you think so?
Because I think in our society nowadays, the thinking is that when Filipino women are with foreigners, I think they're stare at them because um the correct phrase for that is they ahon sa hirap, and that's all.
So the Filipina is with him to have a better life.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
What about you?
For me, I think it doesn't matter as long as you're in love with that someone, it doesn't matter. But of course, we're in the Philippines, toxic mindset that yun nga, ahon sa hirap. That's all.
And do you feel the same thing like most of the time when you see couples, like you feel like that the Filipina is just with him because she wants to have a better life?
Actually, I don't, because in my perspective, mas gusto ng mga foreigner ang Filipinas.
So in her perspective, foreigners really loves the Filipinas.
Yes.
Why do you think many Filipino women stare up and down to Filipinas who are walking with their foreigner partner?
Maybe because they are judging those Filipina basing on their physical appearance.
Oh, something new. Or like, what do they usually think or,
I think they called it like parang magnanay or what.
oh, they feel like their mother.
And
I mean,
son.
son, what?
Son and mother.
Son and mother.
Yeah.
So the foreigner is younger than the.
Yes, the Filipina.
Okay. So that's why they.
Yes, from my perspective.
So they judge the Filipina like
Basing on
physically.
Physical appearance.
And what else? I wanna hear more.
You wanna hear more? For me, for toxic Filipino trait, and that's typically what happened. So it's just sad kasi we mostly judge without basis. Yeah, substance.
Are Filipinos judgmental against Filipina-Foreigner relationship?
Yes, it depends on looks. Like,
So what is that? Is that yes or no?
yes,
Why do you think many Filipino women stare up and down to Filipinas who are walking with their foreigner partner? Why do you think they stare?
because they don't have foreigner.
So because they don't have foreigner, why is that? Like, are they jealous or what?
Yes, jealous.
Okay, and what else?
That's it po.
They're just jealous.
Yes.
Okay, they're jealous to the Filipina, right?
Yes.
Okay, how about you? Why do you think?
Jealous din po.
The same thing. Like for example, like these couples, they're inside the mall. If the Filipinas see them like walking or they're hanging out, they look at the Filipina up and down.
Yes. Jealousing others.
Just jealousy. So we have a couple here. Actually, beautiful couple. You don't look like you're Filipina. Because of the hair, it's very pretty.
It's very natural. Yeah.
Okay, and your boyfriend is you're half, right?
Yes, I'm half Sri Lankan and half Filipino.
Oh, that's very nice. Okay. Well, anyway, I have questions for you. Okay, let's start with you, Beth. The first question is: are Filipinos judgmental against Filipina-Foreigner relationship?
I guess it runs in blood.
What do you mean by that?
I mean we have this toxic Filipino trait, and yeah, that depends on the family that we have right now.
Okay. Okay. I don't know if I have to ask this, but do you think, okay, since you're half, but still you're Filipino, do you think many Filipino men dislike Filipinas with foreigners?
For me, first and foremost, I was born and raised here, so I've kind of developed some like in a culture of Filipino. It well depends on where you born or what kind of mentality that you have adopted. But in my own opinion, I think it's not. Yeah, not because we are we have different types and different likes. For me, I like Filipina because they are more kind-hearted, gentle, and very caring. Some
So you never experience or you never met someone like a guy that dislike Filipina just because she is with a foreigner.
or some of my friends are a foreigner. So for me, definitely some of them maybe because it depends on their type in a person or in a girl. Okay. And not in a racial and just in the kind of traits in a woman.
Okay. What do they usually say?
How did you should say some are like social climbing. They say that. Yeah. And then some are they say they are the most genuine to love.
Okay, I see. Okay. Are Filipinos judgmental against Filipina-Foreigner relationship?
Yes po. I think because to make their life better, to to gain their wants and needs po.
Okay, so you're trying to say that Filipinos are being judgmental because the Filipina wants to have a better life, like that?
Yes po.
Do you think Filipino men dislike Filipinas with foreigners?
Personally, can, based on what I can observe, especially in the older parts or the older groups of men, they tend to dislike Filipina women with foreigners because it is a connotation that Filipina women just using the foreigners, and that connotation is what brings the Filipino men to think that they dislike Filipino women with foreigners. So like they are just using the foreigners.
So they don't like that kind of thing. Okay. Anyway, we read on social media many foreigners feel they received judgmental eye from Filipino men when they are with their Filipina partner. How do you feel about that? And is it true from your experience?
I cannot say that it is true from my experience, but what I can say about that is I can say siguro is that they feel threatened that many foreigners are taking Filipino women as their partners. So that's why they have the like hate mentality or judgmental mentality.
How about you, sir? Do you feel the same thing?
Personally, I don't mind because uh, I think in a progressive world now. So you can go with who you want to be.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for for answering these questions. Very honest. Thank you. How old are you, sir?
I'm 22, turning 23.
Okay, college students, right?
Yes po.
Okay, I see. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections